very important announcement I want to let you all know about. Carpentry King is changing. We are having a rebrand. So I need to explain what this rebrand is about without losing the heritage of what Carpentry King was founded on and how it started. So just a bit of a backstory. How it started is my stepfather started this business more than 30 years ago. Directly after school, I joined, and he started with the name Carpentry King. They started with doing carpentry, doing skirtings, doing railings, doing that sort of hanging doors, that sort of carpentry. So when I came in, we did more kitchens, built-in cupboards, studies, bars, and that sort of carpentry started fading out to the point where I have now taken over, and we don't do that sort of carpentry at all. But I don't forget where I come from, and that is where I came from. So the name change is going to be, drum roll, CK Kitchens and Cupboards. CK being for Carpentry King, but we now focus on kitchens and cupboards. So that is the reason for the name change. Just so people know exactly what they are calling for and what we are about. But I'm not letting the heritage go of all the years. So everyone has recommended we change our name, but I don't want to drop the Carpentry King because it's been 30 years of learning, and I'm still learning, and I don't want to just chuck that into the bin. So as a little montage paying homage to Carpentry King and how my stepfather started the company, I'm going to put in some pictures of old work we did years back and just go through them. And even to a point where last week I went to go and see a client where we did a kitchen 20 years ago. And that kitchen still looks good. It just needs a bit of maintenance. And I'll put some pictures in of that as well. So hopefully we'll be going back there soon to just refresh that kitchen a little bit. But here's a little montage of the work that Carpentry King has done over the last 30 years.
Come again.
I hope you enjoyed that. So if you now see CK Kitchen and Cupboards, don't get a fright. Same company, same service, just rebranding into a new direction, going on to a new step of this journey so that people know exactly why they are contacting us. And if any of you want kitchens and cupboards done, you know who to contact. Details are down below in description, also on our website. And guys, this channel I'm starting out new, so please like, subscribe, and share so we can grow this channel bigger and bigger. Hope you enjoyed this. Until the next video, cheers. Bye.